The next topic, after the brain, how are these tissues protected? Delicate organs like the brain, which is so important for a variety of activities, need to be carefully protected. For this, the body is designed so that the brain sits inside a bony box that we say skull, cranium. Inside the box, the brain is contained in a fluid filled balloon which provides further shock absorption. If you run your hand down the middle of your back, you will feel a hard, bumpy structure. This is the vertebral column or backbone which protects the spinal cord. In this part you can read, actually it is excluded. So I am starting coordination in plants. Coordination in plants. Now till now we have done of animals, that means especially human beings. Okay. Now coordination in plants. Animals have a nervous system for controlling and coordinating the activities of the body, but plants have neither a nervous system nor muscles. So how do they respond to stimuli? Stimuli the actions. Okay. उत्तेजना ऐसा बोलते हैं, जो एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट की इफ़ेक्ट्स रहती है, जैसे हीट, कोल्ड, रेन. When we touch the leaves of Chui Mui, the sensitive or touch me not plant of the mimosa family, they begin to fold up and droop. When a seed germinates, the root goes down, the stem comes up into the air. What happens? Firstly, the leaves of the sensitive plant move very quickly in response to touch. There is no growth involved in this movement. On the other hand, the directional movement of the seedling is caused by growth. If it is prevented from growing, it will not show any movement. So, plants show two different types of movement. One dependent on growth, please underline, and the other independent of growth. Okay. So, two types of tropism and nastism word will be coming now for the plants. Okay. Now immediate response to stimuli. This you can see, एक प्लांट है जिसको टच करते हैं तो लीफ उस फोल्ड हो जाती है. ओके, छुई मुई बोलते हैं, लाजवंती भी बोलते हैं. Let us think about the first kind of movement such as that of the sensitive plants. Since no growth is involved, the plant must actually move its leaves in response to touch, but there is no nervous tissue nor any muscle tissue. How does the plant detect the touch, and how do the leaves move in response? If we think about where exactly the plant is touched and what part of the plant actually moves, it is apparent that movement happens at point different from the point of touch. So, information that a touch has occurred must be communicated. The plants also use electrical chemical means to convey this information from cell to cell, but unlike in animals, there is no specialized tissue in plants for the conduction of information. Finally, again, as in animals, some cells must change shape in order for the movement to happen. Instead of the specialized proteins found in animals, muscle cells, plant cells change shape, please underline, by changing the amount of water in them, resulting in swelling or shrinking and therefore in changing shape. And movement due to growth, this topic is excluded, but I will give you one table so that you can make out full in short. This is the table for types of tropism. Okay, we can say what do you mean by tropism, and if you read that full topic, this is the main point, so you can go through this topic. Light. Okay, type of tropism, the stimulus, causes and its detail. How many types of tropisms are there? Phototropism, geotropism, chemotropism, hydrotropism, thigmotropism. Okay. Now tropism definition I give you first. Tropism means tropic movement. If the movement of curvature in a plant organ is due to the effect of an external and directional stimuli, then it is called tropism. So बाकी का पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि ये टॉपिक है नहीं, बट आई एम गिविंग यू जस्ट एन इन्फॉर्मेशन व्हाट इज़ tropism and how many types of tropism and how it is useful for the response in the plants. Types of tropism and external stimuli are light, gravity, chemicals, water and touch. So different types of tropisms are phototropism, that is due to light, geotropism, that is due to gravity, chemotropism, that is due to chemicals, hydrotropism due to water, and thigmotropism due to touch. The movement shown by plants with respect to stimuli of light is called phototropism. As you see, the stem and the leaves, everything goes in the direction of sun, and roots in the opposite direction of sun. So stem is positive phototropism, roots are negative phototropism. Geotropism, it grows up and down. The movement of plants with respect to stimuli of gravity are called geotropism. Roots grow down, stem grows. In geotropism, gravitational force, that means root grows down and stem grows up. So roots show positive geotropism and the stem shows negative geotropism. Okay, so rest all we see from the table. Chemical, chemotropism, movement of plant to response to a chemical stimulus is called chemotropism. An example, the growth of pollen tubes in the downward direction towards ovule during the process of fertilization. Water, hydrotropism, the movement of plant part in response to water is known as hydrotropism. For example, the root of plants always grows downwards, that is towards water, thus roots show positive hydrotropism. Touch, thigmotropism, the directional movement of a plant in response to touch is called thigmotropism. For example, touch me not plant closes itself when touched. Okay. Plant hormones, we say phytohormones. Plant growth promoter and plant growth inhibitors. Inhibitors मतलब जो growth stop करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि plant पूरे sky तक पहुँच गए. At some height they stop growing. And growth hormone promoters means which is responsible for the growth. What are the plant growth hormones? Auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins. And plant growth inhibitors मतलब बड़े होने के बाद वो stop कौन करता है? Abscisic acid, please take care of spelling, and ethylene. Okay, now where it acts? If I go from down, gravitropism of the roots. What is responsible? Auxin. As you see here, auxin, gibberellin and cytokinin जो प्लांट को बड़ा करते हैं. सो डेफिनेटली इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन रूट. देन ग्रोथ ऑफ यंग फ्रूट, साइटोकिनिन. ठीक है, मतलब हाउ मैनी वेर देयर? 3. लेट अस गो बैक. विच वेर देयर? ऑक्सिन, गिबरलिन, साइटोकिनिन. सो ऑक्सिन्स इन रूट, साइटोकिनिन इन द लीव्स एंड फ्रूट. ग्रोथ ऑफ यंग फ्रूट, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ फ्रूट राइपनिंग, इथिलीन. ओके, ये जब फ्रूट बन जाते हैं तब इथिलीन. ओके, next one, initialization of flowering hormone. Control of stem, elongation, auxin and gibberellic acid. Control of cell division, cytokinin and gibberellic acid. Stomatal closure, abscisic acid. Development of abscission zone, ethylene and auxin. So just have a look. Only main thing is this and it's a function. Okay, you can read this part from textbook. The next topic is hormones in animals, that is endocrine system. How are such chemicals or hormonal means of information transmission used in animals? What do some animals, for instance squirrels, experience when they are in scary situation? Their bodies have to prepare for either fighting or running away. Both are very complicated activities that will use a great deal of energy in controlled ways. Many different tissues types will be used and their activities integrated together in these actions. However, the two alternative activities, fighting or running, are also quite different. So here is a situation in which some common preparations can be usually made in the body. These preparations should ideally make it easier to do either activity in the near future. How would this be achieved? So let's have a look to the endocrine glands in human, male and female. Almost everything is same except one, testes and ovaries. Okay, rest all things are same. Pineal gland, and you have to remember the location also. They will ask where this gland is located. Okay, so I'll give you table and from there you can make out. Pineal gland, hypothalamus, both male and female same. Pituitary gland, both male and female. Thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus. Adrenal gland above the kidney, and both are in different shape, both have different shape. Okay, pancreas, testes in male, ovaries in female. Okay, so these are the endocrine system of human being, and you have to learn the diagram, learn to draw the diagram. I'll give you the table of function location of the endocrine glands. Endocrine glands, their location and function. Hypothalamus, that is in the brain below the thalamus, produces releasing hormone and inhibitory hormones and plays a crucial role for several maintenance functions like eating, drinking and body temperature. It also regulates the hormones of pituitary gland. Next one is master gland, pituitary gland, just below the brain. It secretes many hormones and controls the functions of other glands. The next is pineal gland at the base of brain. It secretes melatonin, which regulates pituitary gland and is associated with biological clock. Thyroid gland attached to the windpipe. It secretes thyroxine, which controls the rate of metabolism. Parathyroid gland embedded to thyroid gland. Thyroid gland है उसमें डले हुए हैं, जैसे रिंग में डायमंड होता है, इस तरह से embedded. Okay. It secretes parathromone, that is parathyroid hormone, which regulates the level of calcium and phosphorus in blood. Next one, thymus gland, middle of chest in upper region, related to immune system. It is active in children, but it shrinks at the age of puberty. Pancreas, just below the stomach, that is you know pancreas, you are drawing also in digestive system. It secretes insulin and glucagon and maintains blood sugar level. जिसको डायबिटीज़ है उसके इसमें पेंक्रियास में प्रॉब्लम रहता है. एड्रेनल ग्लैंड, टिप्स ऑफ किडनीज. इट सीक्रेट्स एड्रेनालाइन. इसको हम कौन सा एमरजेंसी ग्लैंड भी बोलते हैं. ओके, whenever there is an emergency, it secretes adrenaline, and you can, for example, running, racing, boating, anything whatever you do which needs on the spot energy. Okay, that is created by this adrenal gland. It secretes adrenaline and other not needed, but noradrenaline. Okay, you can speak that, which regulate heartbeat rate, breathing, blood pressure and carbohydrate metabolism. It plays an important role in flight. Okay, testes in males, within the scrotum, loose pouch that hangs outside male body and behind penis. It secretes testosterone. Spelling you can take care. Testosterone, which is responsible for development of function of male sex organs and to develop the secondary sexual characters such as body hair, muscle development, change in voice, etc. Ovaries in females, in pelvic cavity either side of uterus. It secretes estrogen. O beginning है, जैसे esophagus है ना, वैसा O is silent. Estrogen and progesterone to build up and maintain the uterus wall for fertilized egg. It also associated with the secondary sexual characters like breast enlargement, changes in physical body, etc. Another is their estrogen. Estrogen breaks down uterine wall if fertilization does not occur. Okay, so these were the table location function of the endocrine system. So here our chapter is over, and all the time I am telling, please read and remember what you have learned. Okay, then you will be getting question answers of this. Okay, bye bye.